So I got this poplar here, leaning hard that way, as you can probably tell in the video. I'm gonna take it down because it's not rotten or anything. It's a healthy tree, but I want those two spruce trees to get a little more water. So this one's gotta go. And also, I want to put my tripod stand right there, and poplars are brittle. They tend to break off if there's a heavy snowfall. So I don't need this tree falling onto my tripod stand. So we will make a shallow face cut, do a bore cut, and then cut the back strap. And if all goes well, you will be watching the most boring video on YouTube. Yes, I'm full of bad jokes. Oh, let her get cold. This just keeps getting worse. So now I got two trees hung up in that spruce. So now I gotta find a safe way around the back and cut that spruce. All right. But this is the way it goes sometimes, especially when you're a dummy like me. I'm gonna try to reposition you so I got a pretty decent view. All right, give me about a minute. Gotta cut that spruce in the back. Well, this is one of those cases when shit goes sideways. Cut one tree, hangs up into another. Cut that one. Both of these hung up into that spruce. But they all come down eventually. Sorry, I'm out of breath, I'm old.